hope you are doing great today. Actually, I got one video request that she was asking me that if we buy products from Flipkart and Amazon, they basically have no return policy under the makeup category. So she actually asked me whether it is possible to return the products or no. And she was like, if you can specify all the details. Then I actually told her that rather briefing each and everything in writing, what I'll do is I'll make a video, because this is a lot of person's query. Alright, so today the video is basically on that particular topic only, that is generally Flipkart and Amazon, they have strong policy that they do not take back the makeup products. So we will talk about that particular topic in today's video. Now before beginning with the video, let me please tell you to kindly subscribe my channel. That is, you can press the red subscribe button. Next to it there is a small bell icon. You can hit that bell icon as well for the notifications about my future uploads. And since it is absolutely free, you can even ask your friends and family also to subscribe my channel. And if you want to become friends with me, definitely you can follow me on Instagram as well as in the Facebook. The links will be given in the description box, so don't forget to check up there. Alright, now let's begin with the today's video. Flipkart and Amazon, whenever you go and check their website, they have specifically mentioned that makeup products, lingerie of course we do understand, but makeup products they do not take it back. Now why is that policy? Because they have faced a lot of fake complaints that the makeup product is not proper. Actually what happens when we check makeup products sometimes online, and when we receive the product, the shade difference is there. So a lot of people, what they do is they launch fake complaints that the makeup product is not proper. Initially I think they must be taking back or something, I'm not sure, but from when I have started purchasing from them, that point of onwards they are not having any kind of return policy. But over here also there is a twist. Alright, so what is the twist? I'll tell you. Whenever you order a makeup product or anything from Flipkart or Amazon, what you should do is take a screenshot of that particular product. Of course that you have in your order summary, so no need to take a screenshot, but if you want to take a screenshot. Alright, whenever you receive the product, what you should do is, before opening the product, just make a short video of that particular box. That is, just shoot. Ask someone to shoot and you just open the full box. Okay, take a recording of each and everything, the product, the bill and everything. First you show the name and everything, then you open the box and then you show the product. If the product is broken, if something is what you have ordered is not as per the description box or whatever is not as per the mark, then definitely you can launch a complaint and you can tell them you can check. I have already have a video in my phone. If you want, I will definitely forward you the video of that particular thing. So what they will do is, if they feel that you are 100% right and whatever they have delivered you is wrong, but then they should have confidence. You should get them under your confidence. That is the main thing. You should make them understand that yes boss, I have received this product broken. It happened with me. Actually that lady who is requesting me the video, she asked me whether it happened with me. Yes dear, it has already happened with me. I had ordered Beauty Secrets 500 piece a nail kit, that is artificial nail kit from Flipkart. Yes, and it was not even long ago, it is hardly 15-20 days ago. I ordered it from Flipkart, I paid everything I did. When parcel came to me, I asked my son to take a small video of that particular thing. I opened the box, and when I opened it, it was fully broken. The box was fully broken as well as all the nails were like mixed together. If you want, I can definitely attach, I think I have the video or no, I'm not sure. But I have already returned the product and I got the refund also. Because as soon as I received the product, immediately I launched a complaint in Flipkart to give me a call back. In Flipkart app, there is an option to call you. You can ask them to call you back, and there are time slots. So you can select this time slot and they can call you back. When they call you back, you just have to make them understand that yes, I have received this wrong product, and of course I have the video also of the same. If you want, I will forward you the video. And if they are convinced, then definitely they will take the product back. Okay, and this is a small normal thing what you have to do when you order from Amazon as well as from Flipkart. There is one more thing. Whenever you are checking the description, that is especially in Flipkart, because this also happened with me. Whenever there are images, just check all the images first and then order. Because sometimes what it happens, like when I ordered Essence mascara, in that they have shown 2-3 different kinds of mascara. On the first image, the different mascara was there. When you just scroll the other images, there are other mascaras. So when you just see first image and then when you order the thing, then at that time there is a problem. Then there is a problem that of course you have received the right product, because when you scroll down the images there is a different image what is popping up, right? So in that case you cannot claim them, you cannot tell them to return or tell them to take it back, because I had not checked the description properly, so that was my mistake. Again, whenever shooting a video, just make sure that the product expiry and everything was also visible, like you are facing the expiry date and also to the camera, that is you are showing it. So if sometimes it happens you get expired product, then you can tell them, yes, I have a video boss, definitely take this product back, because in that it is clearly showing that this is from your side. And definitely when they are taking back, they do have a barcode. If you are purchasing some product from Nykaa and if you are returning back to Flipkart, telling them that is their product, definitely you will not do. But if you are doing it, they will not do that, because they will come to know from their barcode. So they are actually prepared about all these things, because of course we have not done it, but someone must have done. So that is why they have come up with all these kind of things. Alright, so this is the basically thing. And sometimes a lot of people even ask me ki we do not get cash on delivery. So whenever you are checking the product description, as well as also it is specified in all the products that whether cash on delivery is available or no. On Flipkart you have cash on delivery available above 500 rupees. Whereas in Amazon, if you are a Prime member and if the product is approved under Prime category, then that product is available for cash on delivery, as well as even single product also you can order. But in Flipkart, when it is not Flipkart assured, that time you do have to pay shipping. But when it says Flipkart assured, that is above 500 rupees, the shipping is free. So as far as possible, go with the products which are Flipkart assured. The nail kit, the particular nail box, artificial nail box which I have returned, of course that was under Flipkart assured. So they immediately, I called that ma'am, you won't believe, she immediately took all my details. As soon as I gave her the details, within half an hour I got the refund back. In fact, the nail kit was with me, the box was with me, and before taking it back they have refunded my money also. So it is like you just have to make them understand the thing, and definitely don't lie. Okay, if the product is broke from your end, don't tell them that it came broken. Don't lie, because the lifeline of the lie which you say is not big. You have to pay one or the other way. So don't lie. Whatever is the truth, just tell them the truth and face the reality. That's it. And I think I have covered each and every point. But still, if you have any questions still to ask me, definitely you can let me know in the comment section. Also, if you have any other video request, definitely you can specify that also in the video request. In the comment section. I think I have covered up each and every point. So if you are watching till here, that means you are liking my content. If yes, give it a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your friends and family. And thank you so much for watching today. Thank you so much for watching. Till the next video. Bye.